What's up, everybody? It's another day in Poland, in Poznań, and I'm recently in Park Sołacz with two nice lakes actually around. Technically it's one lake, but this is like a little bridge where I'm walking around. There's also very nice hotel and the restaurant. What I will show you from outside today, because to get inside I'm waiting for Winnie when she will come, and also during the spring will be better. However, it's still cold. There was the frozen lake. However, the weather is changing. It was raining recently. Yesterday was snowing, today was raining. So the winters recently like this one not that strong. But it was few days with freeze. That's why the lake is frozen still, but soon gonna be melted. Either way, just another day in Poznan, in Poland today. Little bit of the Park Sołacz, which is the city park, like I said, that's literally in the city center. And then I'm gonna show you a little bit of the town. That's the behind me is the Port Sołacz Hotel and restaurant. Really nice place. I'm gonna show you definitely in the upcoming videos, whenever we're gonna come. Recently refurbished, so you can come here for the restaurant, of course, but you can also stay here. And you can see everywhere around you will have a very nice looking park. If it's yesterday somebody was ski on this one, like a walking or something doing, but now it's already melted. And there's also the tram, fast tram, and also some nice restaurants there. So overall it's a pretty nice place, and it's just simply centrally located. The overall area of this part of Poznań, it's called Sołacz. I'm gonna show you the place without showing my face. I parked the car over there where these big villas there, which technically they are very old villas. This is one of the oldest part of the Poznań, by the way. That's the lake, and then is the hotel and the restaurant. Like I said, recently refurbished, opened just some time ago in last year. So it's cool, and actually I can see it's pretty busy inside. I'm not sure if you don't need to have a reservation to get there. And this is the Port Sołacz, the hotel and the restaurant from closer. Inside, literally in the middle of the city park. Of course, would be better during the summertime when everything is open outdoors and you can sit outdoors and it's just simply warmer. And that's the lake. And also quite a lot of people and the kids enjoying their afternoon, Sunday afternoon. I could say it's kind of Sunday afternoon. After that, it's really decent looking city park. Even there is it's cold, it's about 0 degree, 1 degree, and it's grayish, and winter time it's still pretty active. A lot of people coming here for their Sunday afternoon walk and enjoying the time outdoors. I can see as there is a lot of birdie because people's feeding them, and they are swans. I wanna get there closer. Also, very interesting thing about the Sołacz is that it's old place. It's one of the oldest area here in Poznań, but at the same time is one of the richest area of Poznań. It's not necessarily what is very modern here. It's actually for rich. So this one made looks old, but actually, yeah, if you know what I'm talking about, you know. But in Europe it's a little bit different than, for example, in Southeast Asia. And this is the residential area with this old, big, huge villas here in Sołacz. So considering that as this is literally in the city center, and there is a lot of green stuff, green city park, lakes, and just generally green piece of silence, actually quiet area. You have fancy villas, even they are old, and as you can see, some casually some white Land Rovers driving. Perhaps I saw two big Bentleys just literally passing through not so long ago. So literally here is actually also the tram station, fast tram station. So maybe looks not so rich, but it's actually rich. The lake is already melting, so a lot of birdies coming here. Actually the ducks here, and that's the swans, but it's very wet, so cannot get much closer. But stuff is like this one. Oh, and doggo is happy as well. Some person, guy making a picture. So it's a lot of photographers already, 3 of them I saw it. People just generally enjoying the time outdoors. And this building is also interesting. Here you go, actually the tram is going there. So as you can see, it's easily connected. Even it's quiet, it's easily connected actually. So you don't need to worry about how to get there in case if you don't drive. And also here is very nice building, Buckingham Investments 2009. So if you see the houses like this one with the words like this one, something in English and investment, you know, as this is not the cheapest area in the city. And this is basically how it is. It's very enjoyable for actually walking, cycling, and it will be even better during the summertime when it's just simply green, crispy green, fresh and warm. But it's gonna be soon, starting like May, June. It's gonna be already practically summertime. Spring, but will be like a summer. So soon coming.
At first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah. At first I thought I'd work around it. I'd work around it.
People enjoying their afternoon walk, and the guy is actually skating on the lake. Here we go. He's very brave indeed, but he's doing it. Maybe it's actually not that bad, and actually it's a little bit sunny. I think that's it for today. Actually, I will show you only Sołacz today. Another video will be from the somewhere from the city. Not gonna make it much complicated. See you tomorrow or on next video.
But you turned out to be so different. Yeah, you turned out to be nothing like them. I changed my mind and got behind it. I got behind it. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. Keep cruising till we hit the morning, and then we'll do it all over again. We pass the reds, ignore the warnings. Ignore the warnings. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. You got what I need effortlessly. Let me know you want it. With you I can breathe, air goes so deep. Let me know, cause I can't lie. Let me know, cause I need you. I'd let you take